Jake, more rice. Give me the bun bun. Give me the bun bun. Uncle like that. I top the bun bun. Give me the bun bun.
Wagwan people. Good morning to everybody. Happy Sunday. You know, enough love and respect coming from Pinky. Yeah, man. And I want to say a special shout out to all the nice, clean, good up father them. We're dead for them children. I'm not talking about the deadbeat father. I'm not talking about the sperm donor them. I'm not talking about the pooper them. I'm talking about the nice, clean, dedicated fathers. And them I come about. And big up to all the mothers who have played father roles in their children's life as well. Big up on the nice, clean self every time. So people want to give me 2 cents on the Maxine situation. You know, she says she's seeking $900,000 in order to clear the things them where she have a wife, right? So people, she's seeking the donation from Miss Donna, the plankers, and other people as well. And trust and believe me, the people where she has seek it from are people where she costs. So, me not understand Maxine. Make this make sense. Oh, you feel buy things a foreigner, get things and ship it come to Jamaica and then you can't clear it. You know, bet you did buy a certain amount of things where you know so you can't able to clear when you come to Jamaica, because when you buy a certain amount of things and come down and can't clear it, I distress you, try distress other people right now to help you out with your situation. And you reach out to people where you cuss. You cuss all them pitney and Miss Donna pitney Josh. You cuss the little boy rotten dog. How can a person sit down and cuss people pitney? Feel much it months. Come on, Maxine. This not look good for Choo. And Pantapite, you ask for the donation. And you diss the people at the same time because you say them need the things them were in the container. So them supposed to come and help out. Where people will find $900,000 to contribute? Eh? No, Maxine, no, you make it seem like so free. You get this something them free or a yard sale or something you get them, because how you are take on them a kind of baggage upon yourself, and one time you come to Jamaica now you can't angle the business the right way supposed to angle. You see? That are most our problem. We love take on things where we cannot manage. And we need to stop put we cap where we cannot reach it. We need to stop follow. Stop follow suit. Do things that is applicable to us. And stop follow other people. There are people out there who might need the things them in the container, yes. But which part them are going to get if you come help you if you clear them? Why you never buy a certain amount of things or get a certain amount of things so one time you come to Jamaica, you can able to clear it. And then you issue out to whoever want fridge. Yeah, big deal, so she want fridge. So you say you have fridge, you left for big deal. When you say you have fridge, you left for big deal, because big deal, so she want fridge for you over Cocoa Walk or primary school. Big deal, come and help out your friend. She says she have a fridge that you can offer to your school. So come up put the money, big deal. Come up put the money. Me hear she even say she have clothes in there for people picking. Me rock stone. Me say I nearly turn over when me hear the recording. Eh? No, Maxine. No. This a big shame and disgrace. If you know say the people where you cuss Maxine and them you turn to. And them you seek help from. This don't look good. You say, after you ask for the help, you know say you're going to get a word for backlash and cussing and something. But of course, you are going to get the backlash. People are going to cuss you because them are going to say, oh, you ask people for money. And you cuss them so much on the internet. People, nobody not going to turn the black of their eye to help you. Why take on charity and you cannot manage it? You can't deal with it. You're not going to get the support because you cost people. So it don't make no sense. And Panta Pipe me say me you a big friend. So I me must use my taxi and come for your things. Then me Pinky Me, little Pinky, will live at Portland up in a bush. Them say me and you are friend because me come on your platform and me go comment passing through. Them say me and you are big friends, so me must go use me taxi and come for your things. Them what a piece of backside out here. What a piece of liberty. Me say you want hear how the hog I go up on our platform yesterday. I say me and you big party. What a way them a draw me in a bangarang. Eh? After me don't know you from nowhere, Maxine. I just the other day me know you know. And people say me a batty and bench. Yeah. So me not understand this. Me say I don't even know if you're a man or a woman. And they say me a big friend. But kiss me Rawtid. Miss Dunsbat from St. Margaret's Bay. Me sister, your content hungry, you know. But me and you now go toe-to-toe, my love. I have better things to do than to toe-to-toe with a dance. You understand? So carry on with the wedding. Go and keep your stage show. Bigger fish for your fry out there. You call Pinky name. You don't hear what Marcia say. You don't hear what Big Deal say. Eh? Tell me say you never hear what Roach Mama say. When Roach Mama says she going to lick down your big page. And so because you man say she going to lick down your big channel, you gone over next channel but you do live over there. But me never know say all you could afraid. You see? You is just a loud mouth behind the screen and a coward in a real life. And Pinky know that for a fact. So, people hear you on your platform and hear your mouth loud, them think you a bad woman or you can defend yourself. You can't do a Jesus Christ thing because woman see a potty to rock stone, broke back if you got tear up your cloth, and by the time the woman come up back with the back of the lace your skin, you tear down the whole of potty gone about your business because you know one woman wet up your blow. So, you just a little weak fence. You claim say you're a blogger and you live on the internet how much it years. But your level of blogging is called troublemaking. It is called disgrace. And I don't people alone behave like how you behave. Your content hungry. Anytime you not see Big Deal come on, you're mad. You can't sleep on your bed. That all more while you call the woman out her bed. I trouble the woman for she come on live. To show you your content hungry. I am not a fan of H0LE, you know. Because H0LE is a very disrespectful woman. You understand? And that's why enough people want to bring her down. And worse, she slander Miss D name. Wanting to be like her. But your level of blogging, dirty land dog, that is called troublemaking. Focus on your meal deal. Focus on she and stop calling me name. And she have to focus on. Because if she no come on, you no name. But why, Maxine? This don't look good for you. This a shame and disgrace you call on by yourself. You take on a whole of baggage and you seek help from people where you curse. Me don't know how you are going to work this out. But you shut up yourself in a one piece of batty wall out here. This don't look good for you. You're pleading on the charities in Jamaica. And most of all, Donna, you call upon, you know, Donna, where you cussing, you know, and Donna pity them, you know, and Donna supporters them, you know, Maxine. All you want to know is a very brave woman. Because me don't know how you have the heart to come and ask the people where you cuss for things. No, sir. Might as well enter now off. Probably you have to go go on a back road and say if you can do something in order to go clear the barrel. Because, I mean, you cost too much of them, man. So, therefore, nobody not going to help you. And me, Pinky, not just shit about batty one leader. So, I don't see how you're going to get help. You're not going to get no help. You do too much. Dog, near me supper out here. With you only sitting them. Next time when you say you want to help people, don't send so much sitting come at Jamaica. And then when you come down here, you can't clear it. And then you call upon people where you curse to help you clear them. That is very embarrassing. That's why you need to be careful when you come out here and talk. Yeah. Anyways, people, big up on the nice clean self. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, or leave a thoughts down below. Click on the notification bell to know when Pinky posts a video. And thank you as always for the continuous support. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm gonna beat you.